Discover the best in waste management with Open Container, your premier choice for top-notch dumpster rental in Auburn, Indiana. At Open Container, we specialize in providing top-notch dumpster rental services to meet all your waste management needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction project, or need to declutter, we have the perfect dumpster. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service. From helping you choose the right dumpster to ensure timely delivery and pickup, we're here to make the process seamless and stress-free. Our dumpsters are clean, well-maintained, and perfect for any job. At Open Container, we prioritize convenience and efficiency. Our flexible rental periods and competitive pricing make managing your project easy without breaking the bank. Safety and environmental responsibility are at the core of our services. We follow strict guidelines to ensure the safe disposal and recycling of materials, helping to keep Auburn, Indiana, clean and green. Ready to simplify your waste management? Contact Open Container at www.opencontainerinfo.com Dumpster Rental Auburn IN or call 260-242-9376 to book your dumpster rental today. Let us help you keep your project on track. Open Container, your trusted partner for hassle-free dumpster rentals.